Have you ever found yourself struggling to keep up with a conversation because you speak too slowly? Or perhaps you've been told that you need to talk faster in order to be more effective at public speaking or presentations. Whatever the reason, learning how to talk faster can be a useful skill to have. Here are the top best ways to help you speed up your speech, talk faster, and improve your communication skills. Improving your spoken English to sound more natural and less robotic can take time and practice. How to speak naturally. There are many factors that can contribute to the naturalness of speech. One important factor is the extent to which the learners are using what are sometimes called multi-word chunks, as well as conversational routines or fixed expressions. Random patterns of words do not occur together in speech, but often occur as multi-word chunks. These may be 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 6-word chunks. A marked feature of conversational discourse is also the use of a subset of the multi-word units, conversational routines, that often have specific functions in conversation and give conversational discourse the quality of naturalness. Nattinger, 1980. Hence, when learners use English, in order for their usage to sound natural, utterances need to be expressed in the way they are conventionally said in English, and this is something that is often not possible to predict. Here are 7 easy ways to talk faster. Learning to speak faster is a great goal, whether you're a native speaker or you're still trying to improve and practice your English, regardless of your motive. These 7 tips for talking faster will help you get there. Tip 1. Practice speaking out loud regularly. The more you practice speaking, the more comfortable you will become with the rhythms and sounds of language. This will help you feel more confident and natural when speaking in front of others. Tip 2. Pay attention to your pacing. Try speaking at a steady pace and avoid pausing too frequently or dragging out your words. It's also helpful to use filler words like and ah less often. A great way to work on this is by using Udly's AI speech coach. Udly will provide a detailed analysis on how well you spoke, including pacing and a breakdown of your filler word usage. Tip 3. Enunciate clearly. While it's important to speak at a faster pace, it's also important to make sure that you are still speaking clearly and cohesively. Take care to pronounce your words correctly and enunciate clearly when working on talking faster. Tip 4. Use emphasis and inflection. Varying the pitch, volume, and emphasis of your voice can help to keep your listeners engaged and make your words more impactful. Tip 5. Be concise. Avoid rambling, monologuing, or going off on tangents. Stick to the point and try to be concise in your speech. This will help you talk faster and more efficiently. Tip 6. Use shorter words and phrases. Instead of using long, complex words, try to use shorter, simpler words whenever possible. This will help you talk faster and be more easily understood. Tip 7. Take deep breaths and relax. If you're feeling nervous or tense, it can be difficult to speak quickly. Take a few deep breaths and try to relax before you start speaking. This will help you feel more comfortable and confident, which will allow you to speak more naturally and easily. Why it's helpful to talk faster. For a great speaker, speed is first and foremost a tool. Speaking fast can show listeners excitement, passion, and intensity toward the subject matter being discussed. This effect can pull in the listeners and even cause a contagion capable of creating these very emotions in the listeners themselves. The same subject matter, however, when spoken too slowly, can feel dull or even bore listeners. That's not to say that talking slowly doesn't have a place in your tool belt. It certainly does. The combination of slower and faster speaking is called pacing. Watch our video completely for a more in-depth explanation of how to best pace your speech. Pacing is a critical part of learning how to speak faster. It's important to note that simply speaking your words as fast as possible does not guarantee good use of fast-paced talking. The key to your pace is control, something you can develop best with time and practice. A few more tips plus tricks for speaking faster. Whether you're a slow talker looking to speed up your speaking or someone in need of a new strategy to bring more passion and emotion to your speech, these tips and tricks will help you to make it happen. Here are the best ways to do that. Record yourself using a recorder. Recording yourself talking can give you a better sense of how fast or slow you are speaking. Play the recording back and take note of any areas where you can improve. Don't be afraid to pause in between sentences. When talking faster, it is common to need a pause to allow your brain time to formulate its next thought. Speak slower at first. It might sound counterintuitive, but starting off at a slower pace can actually help you speak faster in the long run. By speaking slower, you'll be able to focus on your pronunciation and enunciation, which will ultimately help you to speak faster. Use vocal exercises to warm up your voice before a speech. Vocal warm-ups can improve your vocal clarity range and projection. Warm-ups can also help to calm nerves and improve overall confidence during the speech, all of which will give you better control of your speed. The takeaway. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to speak quickly and clearly can be a valuable asset. Whether you're giving a presentation at work, speaking in a foreign language, or just trying to make a point in a conversation, speaking faster can help you get your message across more effectively. Remember, speaking faster is not about speed for the sake of speed, but about being able to communicate your ideas effectively and efficiently. These tips can help you to develop the skills you need to speak faster and with confidence. With time and practice, you'll be able to speak faster and more effectively. Subscribe now and start your path to becoming a more proficient English speaker today. Drop us a comment below with what you'd like us to cover next.